They say we live in the lucky country, but our nature is being put to the test. We need to be more than lucky. We need that spirit of rolled up sleeves and resilience. It's up to us to do something, not because anyone tells us to, but because it's in our hearts. It's time for our imagination, our determination and kindness, our generations of knowledge and respect for the land. Let's use what we are to protect the natural world that makes us who we are. Australian nature needs our Australian nature to help it regenerate for generations to come.